Hey, I'm Sham, a 3D character animator, and welcome to my channel. I've been learning animation for over a year now, and it's become something I truly love. Along the way, I've worked on personal projects, improved my skills, and stepped into the freelance world and had the chance to work with some amazing clients. I've been sharing parts of my journey over on Instagram, but now I want to take things a step further, and that's why I started this channel. I'm not the best 3D animator out there. I'm still growing and learning every day. But I've come far enough to help others get started, avoid the common pitfalls I ran into, and maybe even grow faster than I did. If you're interested in learning character rigging and animation, you're in the right place. The goal of this channel is to share everything I've learned about rigging and animation. I'll be posting step-by-step tutorials, helpful resources, behind-the-scenes looks at my projects, and honest advice based on real experience. More than that, I want to build a space where small and growing artists can connect, support each other, and improve together. Whether you're just starting your animation journey or looking to sharpen your skills, this channel is here to guide you, inspire you, and grow with you. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, hit that subscribe button. Let's learn and grow together.